how to make a video call to someone using the Facebook Messenger application. So make sure that you have updated the main Messenger application and you have downloaded it. Now, if you have Messenger on your device, you simply have to log into the Messenger application with your Facebook account with your email ID and password. Now, when you come on this, as you can see, this is my chat list on the Facebook Messenger. I will create or click a random account from this, like this is the account I simply want to do it. So I will click an account here on my Messenger, and whenever I will open it, you're going to see on the top of the screen there is an option called video calling on this. So you have to click on the video call option in order to simply give a video call on Messenger application to the person you're talking with. This is how you can exactly do it. This is quite easy that you all of you can do very fast and from the main application also. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.